Like every business, it's very important to runs on finances, right? But for me, apart from finances, there's one more aspect that I believe in. It's like giving back. For me, life is not only about profit and loss statement. It's how much I can help the society better. Like we are presently facing the issues of climate change, right? So I believe with the rapid switching over to EV, we can definitely help control the temperature below 1.5 degrees Celsius. So hi, my name is Prashant Singh and I am here as the founder of CNN Green Energy Private Limited. It's a Calcutta-based startup and we are into manufacturing level 2 AC chargers for 2, 3 and 4 wheelers. So our company started way back in 2021 October. We have been working on various different fields in the green energy sector itself. I have worked on wastewater treatment plants and all. So while having a discussion, this topic of EV suddenly came up and we were like, what is this? We should definitely explore what all this is about. So I started doing all the research work related to EV and then gradually this process started. The chargers that we are manufacturing at the moment, they are compatible for charging 2, 3 and 4 wheelers. So it's basically a charging point that we are providing. In one of the variants, you can charge 6 vehicles at a time. And subsequently, there are other variants like the 4.6 variant, 7.5 variant and 22 kilowatt variant. These are specific variants only for charging 4-wheelers. 22 kilowatt variant, the speciality being this is a very good charger if you're charging any high-end cars like Porsche, BYD or any such vehicle. Unlike the DC chargers, where you need a 440 supply, which is an underground supply, and then a lot of civil and electrical works which are there for installing the chargers. Our chargers are very simple. You can just plug it in any socket, 20 to 30 watt socket that you get in a domestic household, and using that you can easily charge it. So that's not a challenge at all. My first interaction with T-Hub or its members were at the Hyderabad Tech Expo. There I got to know about their incubation program and all, post which I applied for it. And then after multiple rounds of screening, our startup was finally selected. So post that, the journey with T-Hub has been great. They have provided us with great mentors. We actually have mentoring sessions every week. So all in all, it has been a great experience with T-Hub. We get to know a lot of people. The people here are very helpful and they guide you along, and you can contact them any point of time with any problem that you have, and they are always ready with a smile to help. So our motto or our tagline is solution for a green planet. Like others, we are also very concerned about our planet and how fast things are going from bad to worse. We keep hearing about climate change every day, almost every day, and we can see the repercussions also around the globe. But it's all talks, much talk and very less work. We want to accelerate on the work part. We want to do at least something which will help us bring down this menace of climate change and protect our future generations to come.